guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. I am a Nigerian content creator currently based in Minnesota, and I make videos regarding productivity, lifestyle, graduate life, career life. And if those are videos that really interest you, perhaps you're trying to switch career or trying to build your career, just want something positive and just positive vibes and productivity, then this is definitely the channel for you. Should you decide to join the family, welcome in advance. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video up on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm super excited. I'm grateful. Once you have an iPhone, it's pretty easy. You can trade it in and get the newer one. Once you're in the ecosystem, it's very easy. But for somebody who is using another brand, it might be a little bit hard because, you know, obviously the technicalities and also the price. But once you're in, you're in. So I just want to put it out there that people should not think that I'm rich because I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max, okay? That aside, let's go straight into unboxing this wonderful baby. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I am so excited. I don't know, comment down below if buying things really excites you. Let's go ahead. Okay, so we finally got it open. I'm so pumped. Should we open it? Should we? Yeah, so I went to call my husband. He's coming up to experience this with me because I can't experience it my alone. Okay, you can sit down. Okay, so he's here. So I already removed the tape. And are you ready? Yep. Yeah, I'm in focus.
Wow.
Ta-da! And you know the thing, the packaging is different because usually it's in a different box. You remember that one now?
Like there's something different about this particular packaging. This is it. This is she. Baby, what are we going to name her? What are we going to name? It's so pretty already. Like I haven't even opened it. Like feel it, touch it. Hey! So you know they usually have like a plastic bag. They do not have that anymore. So, and I think it's because they're being environment friendly. Last they will be selling the phone alone without the box, because you know they used to have like a cable. They didn't have that anymore. They used to have like a plastic bag that gave that satisfaction, aesthetic unboxing feeling. No more. So it's just these tabs, which is, you know, I'm absolutely okay with that. So let's go ahead and tear this off. So you have these tabs here and then here, and then you just go ahead and maybe tear the second one. Launch it. Yes, though.
Yes. Are you ready to see it? I'm so pumped. Like my heart is already like palpitating because first, let's appreciate the box. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max box, and this is the new one. Exactly the same size, but a different design. So they went back to putting the design on the box pack. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, what? Oh my goodness! What? Just look at this.
Solid.
I'm trying to show you guys the true color, but don't worry, I'm going to do like B-rolls and insert it so that you guys can see. Oh boy, it's so cute. Pull this up. It feels so different. This is the first time I'm going to be using a different color. I typically would go for gold. I've used white, but my go-to colors are gold. But this is unique. And of course it comes with a charging cable, which by now I have a lot of them. So I'm just going to keep this back because I actually have one for my old phone that I'm going to continue using. Then, you know, the paper, the sticker, what color of sticker? Oh, so now the sticker is white. Has it always been white? I'm not sure. And then of course the pin to put in your SIM and what's not. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And oof, I see it was not deliberate. Like it was not deliberate at all. Okay, you see it even matches like my shirt. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's so pretty, so cute. I'm so happy you don't mind me. This is my old phone, 12 Pro Max and the 13 Pro Max. I'm gonna try to do a B-roll because I don't even understand the lighting situation in this room, but yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. Can you see?
Why is it taking so long though? Oh, can you see that little hello? Let's go ahead and set this up, and then I'll be right back. We can test out the camera and do what's not, so we can end this video on a good note. Okay.
Girl, I take that hate and eat that shit for breakfast. And yeah, I like my eggs with a side of mac shit. And yeah, talk, give me up the coffee. Talk, fuel up my body. Guess I got an appetite for shit that build me up inside. I eat it all up. And then I get stronger. Eat it all up. And then I get stronger. Little girl with holy stockings, looking like an easy target. Nah, you ain't good enough. Nah, you can't sit with us. Mom and dad ain't got no money, so they thought they tried to bully. Nah, you can't fuck me up. Nah, I just raise my cup. Bitter taste, bitter. Like give me the bitter, but you know I ain't a spitter, so I clean my plate.
So I'm done setting it up, and obviously I'm just gonna swipe up a new phone. This is so gorgeous. Even the wallpaper is beautiful. Oh, I should have just done standard because everything is just too zoomed in. I bought a screen guard. I know I mentioned it in one of my vlogs that I bought it a month ago before the phone arrived, so I'm gonna be putting that on. I don't know now. Time for testing to see if it's gonna fit my case, which I doubt. Oh, it actually did, but not so much. This is what it looks like with the case. Oh, I'm definitely going to get, yeah, I need to change this thing to standard. I don't know why I put it on zoom anyways. Oh yeah, I can see clearly what the difference is. The notch, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the notch on the new one is much smaller. Yeah, can you see? It's smaller on this one. Well, I'm so happy. This case doesn't fit it. I think it's a little bit, just slightly bigger than the, even though it says it's the same, I don't think it's the same. Okay, so, and it's finally ready to go. It's the camera that I'm most excited about, so let's see if it lives up to its reputation. I am so pumped to try it out. I'm going to go through, so you get to pick like what styles you want. I think I'm gonna set up my photography later, but already I can tell what the freaking difference is. Wow. Ooh, it's beautiful. Yeah, actually, let's even compare it together. So using the same portrait mode, I didn't play around with the settings. Then let's go back to this one, and I'm just gonna the same angle. Okay, so let's try the cinema mode, which honestly, that's the one that wow, you kidding me? Oh my goodness, guys, this is lit. This is beautiful. Oh shit, it's beautiful, I swear. And it looks so natural. You guys are gonna see it. I'm going to attach it. Oh, apparently, let's flip the camera around and see how it performs. You guys need to see this thing. You see how blurred that. This is what it looks like on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna put the video so you guys can see, no cinematic mode whatsoever. And I come in, it's still great quality, but I think that this is just a tiny bit better. This is great. So I'm gonna put the pictures and videos, and you guys will be the judge. I'm gonna get a case. I probably would have to order one on Amazon because I should have done that on AliExpress. But yeah, this is pretty good. Oh shit, this is beautiful. Okay, so I have to order my case on Amazon. I have to put the screen guard, but right now I'm super hungry, and that brings us to the very end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends if you found it helpful, informative, anyhow, just share with your friends, and let me know in the comment section below. I forgot to tell you the specs that I bought. So this is cereal blue, and this is in 256 gig, because that's what I always get. I always run out of it, but I just think it's too much to buy 512 gig, and then I won't be able to sell it because most people usually buy 128 228 or 256 gig, so you need to keep that in mind. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm so excited. I can't wait to play around with it. Make sure you look out for a video that I'm going to be posting soon, comparing the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 13 Pro Max from a content creator's perspective. So I'm going to use it to create a vlog, possibly maybe even do a makeup tutorial or something, take pictures and show you guys and let you guys be the judge. So if you want to see that video, let me know down below. So let me know down below what kind of videos you want with my phone, or what comparison do you want. I would happily do that. I currently use DSLR camera to film all my videos, so if you want me to compare the 12 Pro Max to a DSLR camera, I can absolutely do that. Besides, that's the whole essence of them adding the cinematic mode, because they're getting there, you know. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye. Oh, you kidding me? Oh my goodness, guys, this is lit. Lit. This is beautiful. You guys need to see this thing. You guys, wait, what? This is what it looks like on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna put the video so you guys can see. No cinematic mode whatsoever. And I come in, it's still great quality, but I think this is just a tiny bit better.
Girl, I take the hate and eat that shit for breakfast. And yeah, I like my eggs with a side of mac shit when you talk.